At your pleasure, Captain. Go.
Sensors indicate external temperature. They went offline. It's too hot.
That is not Corpsman 2. No, sir, it is not.
Stuck in a gravity well of an O-type star. Collision is imminent.
Collision's not an option. Shields up, full reverse. Wrong off-ramp, Lieutenant Stamets.
My nav buffer overloaded. I couldn't hold the plotting.
Rear thrusters engaging.
We are clear of the gravitational well.
Re-engage warp drive. Get us the hell out of Dodge, Mr. Saru.
Aye, aye, Captain.